If you want to know how to delete a hosting domain, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to remove a domain from your Hostinger account, and more importantly, how to make sure it does not renew accidentally. This is really useful if you no longer need the domain, if you're moving to a different provider, or if you simply want to stop future charges. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go ahead and log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the billing section. This is where Hostinger keeps your subscription and domain payment settings, so that's the place you need to check first. Click on billing to open your domain and service details. Next, find the domain you want to delete. If you have more than one domain connected to your account, take your time and make sure you select the correct one. Double check the domain name before you make any changes because you don't want to turn off renewal for the wrong domain by mistake. Once you've selected the right domain, look for the auto-renew option. Hostinger uses auto-renew to keep your domain active when the current registration period ends. If you want to delete the domain or avoid being charged again, turn auto-renew off. This is the key step because even if you stop using the domain, it may still renew if auto-renew is enabled. After you switch auto-renew off, take a moment to review the domain status and any renewal dates shown on the screen. This helps you confirm that the change was applied correctly. In many cases, turning off auto-renew is the practical way to stop the domain from continuing, especially if you just want to let it expire naturally without paying for another term. If you're managing a website, remember that deleting or disconnecting a domain can affect email, hosting, and any website linked to it. So before you finish, make sure anything important has been backed up or moved elsewhere. It's always a good idea to check your website settings, DNS records, and email accounts if the domain is being used for more than just the address itself. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a Hostinger domain the safe way by logging in, going to billing, selecting your domain, and turning off auto-renew. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.